Now the next question is, let zk equals cos 2k pi by 10 plus iota sine 2k pi by 10. That means zk is 10th root of unity. Now in this column 1, P is, for each zk there exists a zj such that zk into zj equals 1. Now if we write zk into zj, zk is e to the power iota 2k pi by 10 and zj will be e to the power iota 2j pi by 10, and if we add them, we write iota and then 2 by 10 into k plus j pi, which is e to the power iota k plus j by 5 into pi. Now this result will be 1 if k plus j, it is equal to 10. So for any value of k, we'll always get a j such that zk into zj is 1. That means p is true. So this p, it matches with 1. Now q, it says there exists a k such that z1 into z is equal to zk has no solution z in the set of complex numbers. Now we can write this z as zk upon z1. Now zk is e to the power iota 2 pi k by 10 upon e to the power iota 2 pi by 10, which is e to the power iota 2 pi by 10 into k minus 1. So if we choose any value of k from 1 to 9, we'll always end up getting this complex number z. That means this condition that it has no solution is false. So this q, it matches with second. Now we'll come to this r, and which is mod of 1 minus z1, 1 minus z2 into 1 minus z9. Now we know that z minus z1 into z minus z2 into z minus z9 will be equal to z to the power 10 minus 1 upon z minus 1. And if we take mod both sides, and if we take this limit z tends to 1, then we'll get mod of 1 minus z1 into mod of 1 minus z2 into mod of 1 minus z9 will be equal to 10. Now if we take this 10 on the left hand side, we'll get mod of 1 minus z1 to mod of 1 minus z9 by 10. It is equal to 1. That means this r, it matches with 3. And for this fourth one, we need to find 1 minus this summation k varies from 1 to 9 cos 2k pi by 10. Now we know that summation k varies from 1 to n minus 1 cos 2k pi by 10 plus iota sine 2k pi by 10, this value is minus 1. Now comparing real and imaginary part, so from this real part we'll get this summation k varies from 1 to 9 cos 2k pi by 10, and this summation is equal to minus 1. So if we put the value of this summation here, we'll get this result as 1 minus minus 1, which is nothing but 2. That means this S, it matches with 4. So answer to this question is P matches with 1, Q with 2, R with 3 and S with 4.